I'm McKenna. I'm the Summer Reading Club coordinator, and today I have our last craft for the Summer Reading Club, which is week 10, and this is the craft for our age group 7 to 12 years old, and it is a corner bookmark, and it's a butterfly. I have two versions here. I made them look like monarch butterflies, but you can make them look like any type of butterfly. So when you come to pick up your kit from the library, you will get a piece of paper that is already cut to size for your bookmark. You will also get a pack of crayons to decorate your bookmark with, a little container of glue, a pipe cleaner for antennae if you want to add them, and then some scrap pieces of paper that you can choose to decorate with if you would like. Okay, so to start, you're going to have your piece of paper, and you want to begin by making it a diamond shape towards you, and then fold this bottom corner up to this top corner. So you make a triangle shape, and then give it a nice good crease here at the bottom. So now you have a triangle. And then you're going to take this top flap and flip it down to meet the bottom down here, and then just give it a nice good crease right there. So now you'll have this triangle with a triangle with a triangle with a triangle. Then we're going to take both of these two corners and we're going to fold them up to meet this top edge up here. So there's one, give it a nice good crease again. There's the second one, get another good crease, and now we have a diamond shape. And if I were to open this up, you can see that there's a pocket inside. This is the pocket that we're now going to fold these extra flaps into. I'm going to fold the first one in and give it a good crease. I'm going to fold the second one in and give it a good crease and give everything a good fold again. And now you have the basis of your bookmark. So if you were to put it in a book, there's what it would look like so far. And you can keep it this way if you would like. This, by the way, is Disney's all-time favorite classics, published by Fidel Books, if anybody was curious. And then you want to, I have my second one here. Then if you would like to define the wings, I've cut out two triangles on either side. You can see my little triangle shapes here. And that's going to define the wing shape for you on your butterfly. And then everybody has a bigger piece of colored cardstock. I personally wanted to make my bookmark a little more sturdy and define the wings better. So I would glue it in here. You want to put it inside of the flap and then glue it down. That is totally optional, but it will help with the sturdiness of your bookmark. And then, of course, like I said, give your wings more definition. Then everybody also has a pack of crayons. You can choose to color your butterfly. That's what I did with this one. I did color this butterfly. This butterfly is colored. Well, this butterfly has pieces of cardstock glued to it, and that's why you also have two scrap pieces of cardstock. So you can decide what to do in terms of decorating your butterfly. And then if you would like to add antennae, you certainly can. I just glued them to the inside of the bookmark, and then that way once they dry, it'll all look like this. Or more so like this. This one I can handle a little bit better. And remember that you don't have to make it look like a monarch butterfly. You can do any color combination that you want. And once you're done, you have this beautiful butterfly bookmark. That'll look like this. Beautiful. I hope that you all enjoy it, and I can't wait to see them all. You can begin picking up this craft on Saturday, August 21st, and as per usual, supplies are limited. And if you would like to earn tickets towards prizes, please have all images sent to be able to earn a code by August 26th, because the last day of the Summer Reading Club is August 27th, and the final raffle draw will be done on August 27th. So if you want to have a code to enter into the draw, please make sure that you have sent me an image of your finished craft by about 5 p.m. or so on August 26th, so I can ensure that a code is sent to you in time to be able to enter that night for the raffle, which is happening on August 27th. So I hope that you all had a fun summer and that you enjoy our final craft. I think this is my favorite one. I've said that about a few, but by far this is absolutely my favorite one. I think it's super cute and super fun. So I hope that you enjoyed your summer, and I know I did, and good luck in the school year. Bye.